Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Cheryl. In today's video, we will be reviewing this viral TikTok product, which is this L'Oreal Infallible Powder Foundation. So this product is retail for $12.99. You can get it in Superdrug, Boots, and sometimes if you're lucky you get a 3 for 2 deal, which is super affordable. L'Oreal claimed that powder foundation is a full coverage, fresh matte finish and waterproof. Waterproof? What? It said waterproof, okay. I got this in the shade Vanilla. I haven't actually tried this shade out. Because of COVID, I can't actually go to Boots and try it out. But I believe this is my shade, okay? Because L'Oreal is doing this huge marketing on this, so I do have a high expectation. I quite like the L'Oreal True Match foundation and concealer. That is pretty good, let me tell you. They should have at least the similar quality. Just to put this out there, I used to have combination skin type and I had a huge breakout and then I got some eczema, and now my skin type is a sensitive combination dry skin type. So if you guys are interested, please keep watching. So on TikTok, everyone is applying this just on the bare face, and this is not how we are going to be testing it today because I do not think that is fair. I don't use foundation anymore, so I'm going to be using these two concealer, and then we're just going to put powder on top. So normally if I use cream contour, I'll put cream contour first before I set the face. Today we are not. We're just going to use this concealer and powder, and then we're going to do my powder contour. So as you guys can see, I already done my brows. So let's get started. This is the lighter shade I'm gonna use on my highlighting area. This is the Maybelline Concealer in 20. I literally just popped that around my nose or in a red area. But I do also want to try the test as it has good coverage. So yeah, let's blend that out. I'm actually also thinking to film a TikTok makeup hacks video. Let me know if you guys are interested in that. I don't know why I look a bit scary, but whatever. After I put the bronzer, everything will be okay. It comes with a mirror. That is good because most of this powder, especially for £10, they might not come with a mirror. And a little puff. But we're gonna try it now. So I'm gonna zoom you guys in because I have this little dot right here. Thank god, I think this is my shade. Let's just put everything on. This is not like a super high quality sponge. So I do want to see any coverage. Maybe I will try around on my nose here. It does look poreless. Can you guys see my pores? They are quite visible before I set it. Well, it is matte.
Well, this is the way it's gonna be. I'm a man.
I'm not too sure would this work for dry skin, but my skin is quite dry. I'll do half so you guys can see it. Because it says it's full coverage, and I have this little red dot here, I wanna see, can you cover it? Not bad, honey. Honestly, not bad. I do look poreless, which I quite like. I'm not sure would this look cakey though. Not bad L'Oreal. One thing I don't really like, I think the fragrance is a bit too strong. As someone who has sensitive skin, I don't really like it. I'm trying to see, do they have alcohol? So it does have fragrance, and alcohol will not be good for sensitive skin. I'm not a big fan of this fragrance. So as you guys can see, I applied half the side of my face. I have not set with anything. It's pretty flawless. If you want to use this powder to cover something, it might be a bit of work for you. It will be something that is good for finishing up. Like if I try to put more on this little dot right here, it will just look more orange instead of covering it. You can see that it's a heavy layer of the powder. This side is with the powder already and this side is not. I'm gonna quickly do it. And by the way, if you guys can see a scratch here, it's because I actually scratched myself, which is quite funny. Right? I wanna see can they actually cover it. Whoa, it does. it's really high coverage then. Obviously it's like a little red line, it's nothing big. Like say if you got a big pimple, you can cover the color but you cannot cover the texture, you know. I want to see how does it look on the big mirror. By the way, I'm not gonna set my under eyes with this powder because I want a highlighting shade. I'm gonna have a final look. So far I quite like it. Everything is set, it's matte. I don't have anything to complain. It does look a bit dry. I mean, obviously you put a powder on, you don't expect it to be shiny, right? And they are actually full coverage, okay? It covers this little dots right here. It just look a tiny bit cakey. Maybe it's because I put a bit too much. But with this like little red line here, no problem at all. Go and set my under eye, clean up my brows and come back and chat with you guys. Hi guys, so I just put my bronzer on and I put some blush. Now you guys can have a final look. I actually quite like it. I'm seeing it really close because I don't know, can you guys see? I'm gonna zoom you guys in. I do have quite a sensitive skin and sometimes I have dry patches. This little dot is the sign of allergy, okay? This area right here that is super dry. And you can see some skin is a bit cracked. This part is completely good. I do believe that in a few hours it's not gonna be as dry because your skin might be a bit more oily in few hours. For now, let's just try to put this setting spray. Okay. The setting spray is dry and I think the skin looks actually less drying, especially around this area. Earlier it was a bit more obvious and now for some reason it doesn't look as drying after the setting spray. So I do think the setting spray helps. I want to mention that this powder foundation in the UK there are 6 shades available. In America it's probably around 10, 12 to 15 shades available. The final thought is that it's quite lightweight on the face, matte, high coverage. However, I really don't like the fragrance. I think it's a very good product. The quality is there. If they can cut out the alcohol and the fragrance, it will be good. But if you have super dry skin or eczema type of skin, I think this powder foundation might not be for you. For $12.99, if you have combination skin, don't really mind the fragrance, it's good to give it a go. So that's it for today's guys. If you find this review video helpful, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. If you guys have tried this powder foundation, leave a comment down below and let me know what you think. Do you enjoy it? I'm gonna put my Instagram here and go and follow me there. And see you guys next time. And I'm also going to be doing a review on another viral TikTok product, which is the Sky High Mascara. If you guys are interested in that, go and check that out. And see you guys next time. Bye!